My dear brothers and sisters, the scripture readings of today reminds us that it is not through our own power or strength, but it is through the grace of God that we live, we serve, and we move. And this is also the idea of St. Paul. And in the gospel of today, we are reminded that it is God who gives us all the graces, the talents, the gifts. Because Jesus is saying He's happy that the things are revealed to the simple. All of us, we are blessed with various gifts, talents, opportunities. But if I make it, it's with my strength or with my power, it is that I'm able to achieve all of these things, then I become like what we have heard in the first reading, wherein Prophet Isaiah is reminding us and reminding the king of Assyria that it is not with your own power that you have been able to get hold of this entire kingdom. It is because God gave it to you. And that's why he uses a beautiful example for us to reflect on. Shall the axe boast over him who bruise it with? That is, the axe in itself cannot do anything. But the person who holds that axe and uses it, it's only then the axe comes into effect. And so it is God who has given us these gifts and talents, these graces, and it is I who then become that instrument so that God can use me and bring glory to Himself rather than glory to ourselves. But definitely when God uses us for His glory, He also sees that we receive our reward. And so as we have come to the altar of the Lord, let us thank Him for all the graces and blessings, all the gifts and talents, all the opportunities that we have received so far, because God has made it available to us and we have said yes to Him, and so that He can use all of this to bring glory to Him and success to our work.